Welcome. In front of me is a REALME 11 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. On one of the pages, you should have a screen recording toggle. For me, it is on the second page, as you can see right over here. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. If it brings up any kind of windows for anything that it needs, like screen recording to send you notifications, we're just gonna select allow. Phone calls, this is primarily for the microphones, I believe. And once you agree to that, it will give you this overlay. And from here, you can either press on the circle to start recording. This little speaker icon is indicating that right now, when you start the recording, it will record the device audio. And next to that, you have the microphone, so you can toggle on your microphone as well. So you can record both of them, or obviously nothing. And then next to that, you have a close button. So anyway, I'm gonna start recording right now. Gives me the counter right here, so I know how long it's been recording. And whatever I'll do right now will be recorded by the device. I'm looking for one app, which doesn't exist here, so never mind. So anyway, once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay and then select the check mark right here to save the screen recording. Once you do so, the screen recording will be saved to your Photos application, so we can navigate to the Google folder and open up Photos. And in here, we're going to select the library and screenshots. Now, in screenshots, you also have screen recordings, which you can see right over here. And that is the screenshot that I have created or captured. So there we go. Now, before I finish this off, I'm going to just mention one more thing. I was looking for Netflix in there, and the reason for that is because there are certain applications that tend to block screen recorders. One of those would be Netflix. There's also other ones for security purposes, like bank applications, which will block screen recorders. So if you ever start recording your screen and end up with just a fully black screen, even though it might have a sound, it's black, just know that this is some bullshit that some applications can basically do on the phone to prevent you from being able to capture whatever it's in that application. And that also extends to screenshots as well, not just screen recordings. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.